We're looking, you're looking, you want. All right? Okay, hands down, hands down, hands down. If you don't feel, StereoSteppas, put up your hand now. That clear? That clear? Okay. This round, dub for dub, is the best of 5. That's all? The first to 5. Okay, the first to 5. Okay? So that's 1-0 to StereoSteppas. And that we are saying. Next up for dub. Trinity, come cross.
Yeah, massive. You see that first tune I play? Bigger than StereoSteppa tune. No biasness. Everybody know good tune because this part of the clash is very, very serious. It's no bias because you know StereoSteppa and Oscar and thing. And rare. It's not about that in that clash. Because that tune they me win that tune they. Yeah, but you see that I won't argue on that. It's all about love. You know, Trinity is the love defendants. Anything will go on you don't know. Everything is good. You see, everybody who remember rockers. Taking you back in time. Everybody remember rockers? Let me see some hand in the air. Everybody remember the artist called Kidosai?
Yeah, greetings, Kidosai saying blessed love. Trinity Sound, blessed love, Fabulous G, Flash, Papa Anthony, Daddy Boasting.
Everybody in the place, no biasness.
Rastafari love.
Listen,
now,
big tune, no joke tune.
When you play the music that you play, and not the way, not the will, men,
listen,
not
big tune.
and sounds.
Hey!
Sounds of the dark night.
Listen, tune.
Cause it won't be too long now. It won't be too long.
Hey.
Trinity Sound, I got crash everyone who come to confront.
Rastafari.
Yo, Trinity is a big sound. StereoSteppa so far, we kind of a young sound. But you know what? We've been preparing this kill for a long time. I don't come here without tunes for the dub for dub. I'm ready. Look at me ready.
Topaz. I'm really gonna kill you, sound boy. I'm really gonna kill
Mr.
you
Limbo
tonight.
Thompson.
StereoSteppa sound.
All right.
Yo. Look how we're deadly. And look how we're ready. StereoSteppa sound. Boy, you gonna kill me.
Yeah. Go, sir. Yeah. Turn on the light again. Turn on the light. Beg you, please do. Yeah. The light there. All right. That look better. Okay. If you don't feel Trinity win the second round of the dub for dub, put up your hand now. It clear? Clear? Okay. Okay, thank you. Put your hands down. Okay. If you don't feel StereoSteppas win the second dub for dub, put up your hands now. Yeah. Okay, hands down, hands down, hands down. The promoter say it was kind of even. Okay? So remember, you can't vote for 2 sounds. You have to vote for 1 sound. Okay? And don't move around. Stand up still. We have to take a next vote. Go, sir? Okay. If you don't feel Trinity win the second dub for dub, put up your hand. Okay. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. No lip and eyes. Okay. If you don't feel StereoSteppa win, put up your hand now. Okay. That clear now. That's better. So we like it. See? So that means to say it's 1-1. Go, sir? 1-1. Okay, as we move to the third dub for dub. Trinity, come cross.
Well, people know ourselves, see it?
Because Trinity take reggae from the back line and put it on the front line. And even on Swedish TV Showtime. You don't know that. You understand? I ain't say all the tune we don't play. See this tune will kill all of them in a one. Squeeze Flash.
A reggae dad in the place. Yes. Highly right down to the one first. The writer, sir. Trinity Sound. Big up yourselves, cause you don't know, so you come to cut them down. DJ Flash, Fabulous, boasting. You don't know, sir. When we win, we'll be toasting. We're killing the sound. Trinity Sound, Trinity Sound. Throw them down. Isn't it strange how them dibby sound and thing? Hey. Want to test Trinity Sound, the dance on
Hey! You think of that?
Yo, big up yourself, Trinity. Big up yourself. It's gonna be sticky, this dub for dub. It's the stickiest so far, you know? So, let me pay some respect to the elders, the founding fathers of Swedish reggae music. As you know I can. This is
Joey Peps Pay, originalet från 1900-talet. Hör på mig, hör på mig, nu hör på mig. StereoSteppers är nummer 1. StereoSteppers regerar fett. Ingen snickesnackesnack, ingen dibbi-dibbi-dabb. Ingen snickesnackesnack, ingen dibbi-dibbi-dabb.
Yeah. So how it look now? Okay, everybody, put your hands down. Turn on the light, please, beg you. All right. Okay. Remember, you only put up your hand for the sound which you feel play the wickedest dub. This is the third dub for dub now. And at the moment, it's 1-1. Okay? So, if you feel Trinity win the third dub for dub, put up your hand now. Okay? Okay, put your hand up. Down. This is man a hold up camera. Yeah. Okay. If you don't feel StereoSteppa win the third dub for dub, put up your hand now. Okay. It looked like StereoSteppa take that one there. Okay. 2-1. We can't make everybody happy all the time. We have to do the majority. And that's the point of sound clash. So, as we move, Trinity.
Yeah. People don't disrespect, you know. I don't disrespect no artist, you know. But I tell you, I don't want anything to be biased, you know. Peps is not a big artist and me artist and now play there, you know. Yeah, no disrespect, you know. You mean? Boom. I don't eat no meat, so the cow business not there by me. You don't know. See, I'm a vegetarianist, you don't know. You see the next tune me going and play? You see the next tune? Trinity is a conqueror song, you don't know. Nothing can conquer it. You don't know. Everybody, I don't want you to be biased. Because Trinity, you don't know, is a nice, decent song, a Rastaman song, the people song, the world song. Whole heap of song we boss in the business. Whole heap of artists we boss in the business. Selector, MC. And you don't know, we just simple. So everybody say, yeah! Play me tune.
Conquering sound is conquering sound, and all the DJ sound around for the conquering sound. Trinity, die, you can show the die. I done that at the bonnet of the motion. DJ Flash, Fabulous G, Danny Bones. You hear, man, how you want to run up your mouth, sound boy, acting like a model. Careful, how you going on about sound boy, pretending you're a drug, a Trinity, man, conqueror. Conquering power.
Kill them. Nail.
You want to talk about big artists? You don't think the big, bad StereoSteppa can play Bonnie Whaler? Oscar, squeeze it! Mr. Bobby Wheeler.
This is the original dance.
Out to the original Wheelers.
Champion sound, StereoSteppa.
This one is the better one.
We'll be testing the real hardcore people sound. You hear? Check the champion StereoSteppa come to ram this a dance song.
Yeah.
Put that sound, boy.
Listen.
StereoSteppa come to rule them wrong.
Yeah, we.
Yeah. Okay. On with the lights, please. On with the lights. Turn on the lights. Okay. All right. If you don't feel Trinity win the 4th round. Third round, sorry. Okay. Put up your hand now for Trinity. Okay, hands down. If you don't feel StereoSteppa win this round, put up your hand now. StereoSteppa, when you check the whole crowd. Go, sir. So what I mean? 3-1. Okay? As we continue. Trinity, anytime you're ready.
People, yo. Nuts. It come like it have a whole heap of people in here who don't like Trinity. But anyway, it's a fun thing, it's not a gun thing. You understand? Because we know we play the bigger tune and the better tune. It don't matter. See? But anyway, life goes on. Squeeze.
Sound boy, you don't know if you try to play against Trinity Sound, you're gonna lose.
What we say?
Cause DJ Flash, Fabulous G, and Daddy Posting, I got fling some dub plate in your chest, but you can't digest. BBC from the original Gale ancestor.
What you
Then
know?
bam bam. I've traveled all over the world, and I have listened to many sounds. Of all the sounds that I like best,
So you bring your fans
Trinity
there.
sound
You think I don't know you
is
bring all your
better
fans
than the rest.
That's
Yes,
not
it's
real.
my
You can't
champion sound. Trinity is mine.
A1 song, the North Pole ruler. No biasness.
Yo, I've seen Trinity clash before, and once it gets sticky, they always talk about biasness. Let me take this one as well, fair and fucking square. Let me squeeze the cool ruler, StereoSteppa style. Oh yes!
Little sound boy.
Yo, we just did it again.
Not the mercy. Now who's gonna play the dance tonight? Only StereoSteppa can do it right.
Yeah, that's right, the wheel out!
Who's gonna play the dub the way the kids do, yeah? Only the stepper we need pass through.
And wheel! Yeah!
Okay. Lights on. Please. Yeah. Okay, the 4th round now. If you don't feel Trinity should win, put up your hand now. You see that? Look good. Okay, hands down. If you don't feel StereoSteppa win, put up your hand now. Yeah, according to the crowd, it's not me that decide this. It's not even him. It's the crowd deciding this. And as far as we see, StereoSteppa win again. As far as we can see. Okay? But I must say something. I have to agree with Trinity. No biasness. Listen to the music. It's the music that decides. Okay? It doesn't matter if